Hey guys, Charlie the plumber here. Today we're going to do a short video on how to solder. Solder is really not that hard. Basically you need your pipe, your sandpaper, your flux, which is, I use a number 5 OD. I always wear gloves because I tend to wipe my joints with my fingers. So I want to make sure that you get rid of that booger there. So basically all you're going to do, sand up the end of your fitting. This is a 1/2 inch pipe, about a 1/2 inch long. You take your fitting brush. I take and just put one small ring all the way around it. This one here, right now it's 100 in Michigan, so it's hotter than hot. I'm hooking on an adapter today, which is actually a PEX expandable adapter. I use a fitting brush. I've already pre-cleaned this, where you can stick your sandpaper inside there and rub it back and forth with your finger. Basically you just put that on there like so. I've got it hanging in a little cubby that I'm working in. Got my torch right here. This one here is a self-igniter. You can get any type of torch. It is MAP gas, the green tank, B tank, LP gas, whatever, MAP gas is fine. Got a self-igniter. I listen to it because I've been doing it for a while, so I know how hot I want it. Just hold down one side. I tend to hold my solder so it's got a hook on it. I put my heat on one side, and then I'll put my solder on the other. You don't need a bunch. Trying to hold it on there until it starts to melt. I can see that it's went all the way around. And then you can see that it's went all the way around. You got a little booger on the bottom. You get rid of that booger, and that's all there is to it. Solder is very simple. The only thing you want to do with solder is, one, make sure there's no water in it. Make sure there's no steam in it. If you got that, the third thing, you never want to overheat a piece of copper, because when it starts to turn black, that means you got too much heat on it. You burn the paste loose. So if you enjoyed this short but to the point video, give us a thumbs up at the bottom of the screen. Like our page, share it. That would be awesome. Again, Charlie the plumber. Talk to you soon.